Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing SKULLPANDA the sound from POPMART, and I'll be opening another blind box for today. And here is the side. They also placed a POPMART sticker when we bought it. There are 12 characters and one secret. The front again. Now it's time to open. This is the figurine. Okay, so this is the card. It reveals which character you got. I'm really excited. I got the anger. Okay, wait. The anger is actually really pretty. Oh my god. It's so cute. Okay, so I think this is the thing that patches her eye. Like that. Oh, it's magnetic. That's really cool. So pretty. Anyways, that's it for today. Goodbye.
Click like and subscribe. Bye bye.